Welcome back to the Daily House Ideas, friends. The holidays have wrapped up, ornaments are packed away, and now you're staring at empty spaces wondering what's next. Today, we're diving into the art of transitioning your cozy farmhouse into a fresh winter look that feels just as inviting as your Christmas decor. If you're loving this content, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our design tips. Drop a comment below sharing your biggest post-holiday decorating challenge. I read every single one. Let's transform your small living room farmhouse into a space you'll love all winter long. Your farmhouse exterior sets the tone for everything inside. After removing Christmas lights and wreaths, maintain that welcoming vibe with natural elements. Consider adding a simple grapevine wreath with whitewashed branches or eucalyptus sprigs to your front door. Flank your entrance with galvanized metal planters filled with winter greens like boxwood or evergreen branches. A vintage milk can beside the door adds authentic farmhouse charm. Keep your porch swept and consider layering a jute doormat with a smaller core mat for texture. This layered approach embodies rustic elegance while keeping maintenance minimal for busy homeowners. Your entryway is the hardworking hero of your farmhouse. Install simple shaker-style wall hooks in matte black or oil-rubbed bronze for coats and hats. Aim for 4 to 6 hooks depending on your family size. Below, position a narrow bench with woven baskets underneath for shoe storage. Above the bench, hang a large rectangular mirror with a distressed wood frame to bounce light around your small space. A vintage wooden tray on the bench corrals keys and mail beautifully. Layer a natural fiber runner over your doormat for added warmth and texture that screams farmhouse sophistication without clutter. Small living rooms demand intentional furniture choices. Opt for a linen or cotton blend slip-covered sofa in neutral tones like oatmeal, greige, or soft white. Slipcovers offer practicality and that relaxed farmhouse aesthetic. Choose a coffee table with lower shelf storage, perhaps a reclaimed wood piece with metal accents showcasing industrial farmhouse fusion. Position 2 accent chairs opposite the sofa, selecting pieces with exposed wood frames and neutral upholstery. Avoid bulky recliners that overwhelm small spaces. This furniture arrangement creates conversation areas while maintaining flow, essential for compact living rooms where every square foot counts. Post-Christmas is perfect for embracing a soothing neutral palette. Build your foundation with warm whites, creamy beiges, and soft grays that make small spaces feel larger. Incorporate depth through layered neutrals. Think linen pillows in varying shades of taupe, cream, and wheat. Add warmth with wood tones and different finishes from your coffee table, picture frames, and decor pieces. Introduce subtle pattern through ticking stripes, grain sack prints, or classic buffalo check in muted tones. This monochromatic approach with textural variation creates visual interest without overwhelming your compact living room, embodying timeless farmhouse sophistication. Textiles transform your living room from sparse to sanctuary. Drape a chunky knit throw in cream or oatmeal over your sofa arm for inviting texture. Layer throw pillows in varying sizes. Start with 2 larger lumbar pillows, add medium square pillows, then finish with smaller accent pillows. Mix materials like linen, cotton, and burlap for tactile interest. Consider a jute or sisal area rug anchoring your seating arrangement, adding a vintage-inspired runner on top for dimension. Hang simple white or natural linen curtains using black iron rods, allowing them to puddle slightly on the floor for that effortless farmhouse elegance we all adore. After Christmas abundance, embrace edited vignettes. On your coffee table, arrange a wooden dough bowl filled with white or cream candles in varying heights. Place vintage books stacked horizontally on the lower shelf with a small potted succulent on top. On floating shelves or a bookcase, group items in odd numbers. 3 white pitchers in graduated sizes, a collection of ironstone, or vintage breadboards leaning casually. Add greenery through eucalyptus stems in galvanized buckets or simple faux stems in mason jars. This curated approach prevents visual clutter while maintaining personality, proving that farmhouse styling thrives on intentional restraint. Your farmhouse dining table deserves attention beyond holidays. Choose a centerpiece that's beautiful yet practical for daily use. A long wooden trough filled with white pillar candles and faux greenery creates impact without overwhelming your table. Alternatively, line 3 vintage bottles or white ceramic vases down the center, each holding simple branches or cotton stems. Use a linen table runner in natural beige or soft gray as your foundation. For place settings, mix white ironstone plates with simple linen napkins held with twine or metal napkin rings. This effortless styling makes every meal feel special in your farmhouse dining space. Maximize your dining area with smart furniture choices. If space allows, position a rustic sideboard or vintage buffet along one wall for dish storage and serving. Top it with a large wooden cutting board leaning against the wall, flanked by white pitchers or ceramic crocks. For seating, mix wooden Windsor chairs with a simple bench on one side to accommodate more people in less space. This combination is quintessential farmhouse style. Hang a statement piece above the sideboard, perhaps a vintage window frame, oversized clock, or galvanized metal sign that adds character without requiring floor space in your compact dining room. Your farmhouse kitchen should balance function with aesthetic appeal. If you have upper cabinets, consider removing doors from a few to create open shelving. Display white dishes, vintage glassware, and ceramic pitchers arranged by color and height. On closed cabinets, update hardware to matte black or aged brass pulls for instant farmhouse flair. Inside cabinets, use wire baskets or vintage crates for organized storage. Paint cabinets in classic white or soft sage green if you're feeling adventurous. The key is creating a kitchen that feels collected over time rather than overly coordinated, embracing imperfect charm. Small kitchens demand decluttered countertops. Store your coffee machine when not in use, or if it's a daily essential, position it in a dedicated coffee station corner with a small tray underneath holding sugar, mugs, and stirrers. Keep only frequently used items visible, perhaps a white ceramic utensil crock near the stove, a wooden cutting board leaning against the backsplash, and a simple soap dispenser at the sink. Choose appliances in stainless steel or white to blend seamlessly. Add a small potted herb like rosemary or thyme near the window for fresh greenery and function combined in true farmhouse fashion. Accessorize your farmhouse kitchen with items that work double duty. Display a vintage scale on the counter with fresh lemons in the bowl. Hang a pegboard painted in matte black or white for storing frequently used utensils and measuring cups. It's both practical and visually appealing. Use a galvanized caddy to hold wooden spoons and spatulas near the stove. Mount simple black iron hooks under upper cabinets for hanging mugs or small copper pots. Position a small vintage bread box on the counter for storing baked goods while adding charm. These thoughtful touches create a kitchen that's photographically beautiful yet entirely livable. Your family room should embrace comfort without sacrificing style. Mount your flat-screen TV above a simple wood console or vintage cabinet that provides storage for media components. Flank the TV with tall white candlesticks or small potted topiaries for symmetry. Arrange seating in a semicircle facing the television, perhaps a slip-covered sectional or sofa with 2 cozy armchairs. Add a large pouf or upholstered ottoman that serves as extra seating or a footrest. Layer soft blankets over chair arms and position a basket nearby for remote storage. This setup creates the perfect family gathering spot with farmhouse warmth. Even small farmhouse homes need designated workspace. Carve out a corner for a compact home office using a vintage writing desk or simple farmhouse table against a wall. Choose a comfortable wooden chair with a neutral cushion for long working hours. On the desk, Keep a small vintage radio for ambience, a unique desk clock with farmhouse appeal, and a white ceramic pencil holder with essential supplies. Mount a pegboard or small shelf above the desk for organizing papers and inspiration. Add a small task lamp with an adjustable arm in matte black. This dedicated workspace proves productive environments can absolutely embrace farmhouse charm and character. Every farmhouse deserves a reading retreat. Identify an underutilized corner near a window and position a comfortable slip-covered armchair or vintage wingback chair. Add a small round side table for holding books, reading glasses, and your coffee mug. Drape a chunky knit blanket over the chair and layer with pillows for ultimate coziness. Install a wall-mounted reading lamp or position a slim floor lamp beside the chair. On the wall, hang a simple shelf for displaying your current reading stack and a small potted plant. This intentional nook becomes your personal sanctuary, proving small spaces can absolutely accommodate specialized zones. Your bedroom should be a calming escape. Choose an upholstered headboard in natural linen or a distressed wood headboard for authentic farmhouse appeal. Dress the bed with white or cream bedding in natural materials like cotton or linen, layering with a neutral quilt and textured throw at the foot. Add Euro shams and sleeping pillows in varying shades of white and cream. Flank the bed with matching or mismatched nightstands. Vintage pieces add character. Top each with a simple lamp with linen shade and white ceramic base. Keep surfaces minimal with just a small vase, book, and perhaps a vintage alarm clock for understated bedroom elegance. Accessorize your bedroom thoughtfully for tranquility. Above the bed, hang a large piece of simple artwork, perhaps a vintage botanical print, abstract landscape, or even a beautiful antique window frame. On your dresser, arrange a wooden tray holding your jewelry box, a small plant, and a candle. Use woven baskets at the foot of the bed for extra blanket storage. Hang a full-length mirror with a distressed wood frame in the corner to expand visual space. Position a small upholstered bench at the bed's foot if space allows for laying out tomorrow's clothes. These curated touches create a bedroom that's both functional and beautifully farmhouse-inspired. Transform your farmhouse bathroom into a spa-like retreat. Update your shower curtain to crisp white or subtle stripe pattern on a black iron rod. Replace standard towel bars with black metal ladder-style towel racks that lean against the wall, displaying rolled white towels for hotel luxury. At the Wastafel, use a vintage wooden tray to corral hand soap in a glass dispenser, a small plant, and neatly folded hand towels. Mount a medicine cabinet with a distressed wood frame above the sink. Add a jute rug for warmth underfoot. These simple updates create a bathroom that feels fresh, clean, and unmistakably farmhouse. Don't overlook your garage's potential. Install simple wall-mounted shelving in natural wood or painted white for storing tools, paint cans, and seasonal items. Use galvanized metal bins and vintage crates on shelves for organized storage with farmhouse flair. Hang a pegboard wall for garden tools, displaying them decoratively when not in use. Position a vintage workbench along one wall for projects and potting plants. Add hooks for bicycles, ladders, and sports equipment. Paint walls in crisp white or soft gray and seal garage floors if possible. Even functional spaces deserve thoughtful design attention, extending your farmhouse aesthetic throughout your entire home beautifully. Your farmhouse patio becomes valuable square footage in warmer weather. Even in winter, prepare this space for upcoming seasons. Arrange weather-resistant furniture like wooden Adirondack chairs or a metal bistro set. Add outdoor pillows in weatherproof fabrics once temperatures allow. Hang string lights overhead or install a simple black lantern for evening ambience. Position large galvanized planters ready for spring herbs and flowers. Include a vintage wooden ladder leaning against the house for displaying potted plants. Layer an outdoor jute rug under your seating area. This intentional outdoor room extends your farmhouse living beautifully beyond interior walls, creating additional gathering space. There you have it, friends. Your complete guide to transforming your farmhouse from post-Christmas to beautifully styled winter sanctuary. Remember, farmhouse design celebrates imperfection, natural materials, and spaces that truly feel lived in and loved. Start with one room and gradually work through your home, embracing the process rather than rushing perfection. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the Daily House Ideas for weekly design inspiration delivered straight to you. Comment below telling me which space you're tackling first. I genuinely love hearing about your design journeys. Until next time, happy decorating and may your farmhouse always feel like home.